Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into MS Teams through PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your MS Teams app on your device. Now here you can see a login screen. If you have already logged in to your MS Teams, this will automatically appear on the screen. If you want to log into another account, then on the bottom side you can see use another account or sign up. If you want to use another account, tap on use other account. If you already have an account, type your email provided by college or school or yourself, then tap on next. If you don't have an account, then tap on create one. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to type my email, then type on next. It may take a little time. Type your password here and then tap on next. Now the screen like this will appear, and now you are logged in to MS Teams successfully. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.